Right now, we're seeing a significant spike in climate sentiment, with a score of plus 0.70 and a momentum of plus 0.80, compared to historical baselines. This isn't just a small uptick. It indicates a strong shift in public opinion, which could be pivotal for your projects. Our API returns detailed insights on sentiment trends, including 18 semantic clusters, that can help you pinpoint exactly what aspects of climate discourse are resonating most with people. Imagine leveraging this data to adjust your messaging or product development in real time, aligning with the growing public interest. For instance, if you're developing a sustainability app, you can tailor features to focus on the most positively viewed topics right now, enhancing user engagement. For more details, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this momentum together.